trend end last week. Are there more hopeful signs ahead? AgDay's Michelle Rook is back with an update in markets now.
Well, grains ended the week last week lower. Oliver Slope Blue Line Futures is with us. And let's talk about some of the pressure that we saw on Friday, especially corn. Was profit taking part of the story?
I think that was certainly part of it. We got a friendly WASDE report last week, and we saw the market trade up near those October 2nd highs. And for that March corn contract, that was 452 and a quarter. We got within a penny of that, really just ran out of buyers and settled back in. I don't think the weakness that we saw in the back half of the week was all that concerning. It was more or less just a retracement of where we broke out from. So I think a healthy pullback, and I think the fundamental tailwinds for corn remain intact. Now, with that said, if we do start to break down, there is downside pressure, especially with funds building a long position here recently. You got to kind of break down whether you're hedging or whether you're speculating. For hedgers that we're working with, looking at volatility at its slowest level since 2019, 2020, like using this move higher here, which is amounted to about 10, 11% from the contract lows, is an opportunity to look at some downside protection here into the end of the year.
And what about soybeans? Did we see profit taking there on Friday as well? Because we've gotten up into the upper end of our trading range there and can't seem to get through resistance either.
It's wax on, wax off in the soybean market. It's up a dime, down a dime. And when you zoom out over the last, 3-4 weeks, it seems like we really haven't gone anywhere. Call it $9.90 to $10. Just, I think, building up energy and kind of waiting for new news to give us new direction.
And as we start looking ahead, of course, we're going to bump up into the holiday time period, but really South American weather is going to be the focus here now.
That's absolutely right. And talking about the holiday trade and the holiday markets, it seems like soybeans has almost beat us to the punch. We've just been in a very sideways range-bound market there between, call it $9.90 and $10. I do think that we could be building up energy for a bigger directional move, but I think a lot of that will be hinging on weather down in South America. But once we do break out or break down, I do think that there's probably going to be an uptick in volatility, and we can see a quick 20-25 cent move. It's just which way are we going to break?
Appreciate your analysis, Oliver Slope Blue Line Futures. We'll have more Ag Day coming up.
Watch Markets Now with Michelle Rook on the Farm Journal YouTube channel, keeping you updated throughout the day on the markets at the open, midday, and close. Find out what moved the markets today and what to expect the market to do next.